Ready to take your home and backyard to the next level? These viral gadgets are all about making life easier, smarter, and way more fun, whether you're relaxing outside or upgrading your space indoors. From clever tools to cool backyard must-haves, there's something here for everyone. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Picture this. You're sitting outside, music playing, and a warm, flickering flame glowing right beside you. These outdoor Bluetooth speakers double as torchlights, giving you both sound and atmosphere in one. They're waterproof, so rain or splashes won't ruin the vibe. The sound is crisp, with rich bass that fills the space. Pair two together, and you've got surround sound with a cozy lantern glow for your patio, camping trip, or backyard hangout. Ready for a splash of fun? This inflatable pool float turns any pool day into an adventure. Kids can climb on, hold the sturdy handles, and pretend they're soaring across the water. It even comes with a built-in water blaster, so playtime gets a cool twist. Durable and easy to inflate, it's the perfect way to keep little ones entertained all summer long. Nothing ruins a good meal faster than flies buzzing around your food. That's where these clever fly fans come in. The blades spin with a holographic shimmer that keeps pests away without chemicals or sprays. They're soft and safe, stopping instantly if touched, so kids and pets stay protected. Lightweight and battery-powered, you can set them on a table or hang them up for worry-free picnics, parties, or backyard BBQs. Here's a piece of furniture that looks good enough to eat. This orange-shaped side table doubles as a stool, plant stand, or quirky accent for your home or garden. Its bold color and realistic texture instantly brighten up any corner. Made from durable, weather-resistant material, it's tough enough for the outdoors, yet stylish indoors. Whether on a balcony, patio, or living room, it adds a cheerful twist to your space. Summer just got way more fun. This playful sprinkler looks like a cheerful octopus, and its colorful wiggle tubes spray water in every direction. Hook it up to your garden hose and watch the backyard turn into a splash zone. Kids and even pets will love running through the spinning streams. Safe, sturdy, and full of energy, it's the ultimate way to cool off and keep everyone entertained on hot days. Finding your house at night just got easier. This solar-powered address sign lights up your numbers, so visitors, couriers, or even emergency services can spot your home quickly. It offers 3 lighting modes: cool white, warm white, or daylight, so you can choose the look you like best. The large solar panel charges during the day and glows for hours after dark. Weatherproof and durable, it's a smart upgrade for any home exterior. Why keep a drawer full of dull tools when one gadget can fix them all? This 7-in-1 sharpener brings back razor edges to everything from lawnmower blades and axes to pruners and pocket knives. Coarse and fine slots handle quick repairs or smooth honing in seconds. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and tough enough for regular use. Whether you're gardening, camping, or working around the house, sharp tools make every job easier. Forget heavy chairs. This inflatable lounger is all about instant comfort anywhere you go. No pump needed, just swoop it through the air and you've got a cozy seat or hammock in seconds. The built-in pillow supports your head and neck, so you can really relax. It stays inflated for hours and is completely waterproof, making it perfect for the beach, backyard, or festivals. No plumbing? No problem. This portable sink gives you running water anywhere you need it, whether you're camping, gardening, or working on messy projects. Just press a button and the electronic faucet delivers a steady flow, then automatically shuts off to save water. A built-in reservoir collects used water, making it both efficient and eco-friendly. With shelving, accessories, and easy setup, it's like taking the comfort of your home sink on the go. Tired of stumbling around in the dark? These plug-in night lights turn on automatically at dusk and shut off at dawn, giving you the perfect glow exactly when you need it. A simple slider lets you adjust brightness from a soft, cozy glow to brighter illumination for hallways or bathrooms. They're energy efficient, long-lasting, and compact enough to stay out of the way. A small upgrade, but one that makes nighttime safer and easier. Nothing brings people together like roasting over a fire. These rotating roasting sticks make marshmallows, hot dogs, and s'mores way easier and a lot more fun. The telescoping design keeps you safely away from the flames while still giving you control. Just spin the handle and your food cooks evenly without burning. Durable stainless steel means you can use them for countless campfires with family and friends. Want to keep food and drinks chilled without hauling around a giant cooler? This inflatable serving bar is the answer. Just fill it with ice, and suddenly you've got a buffet that keeps salads, fruit, and drinks perfectly cold for hours. It even floats in the pool, turning into the ultimate party accessory. When you're done, pull the drain plug, fold it up, and pack it away for next time. Tired of dragging the hose around to water every corner of your yard? This rotating garden sprinkler does the work for you. Just connect it to your hose and watch as the arms spin, sending out a rain-like spray that covers a wide area. You can even adjust the arms to change the pattern and distance. Need more coverage? Link a few together and your whole lawn gets a perfect soak. Pouring drinks has never felt this futuristic. This smart dispenser not only pours your wine, but also aerates it instantly for better flavor. Just set the amount you want, and it stops automatically. No spills, no guessing. A simple touch with your glass starts the flow, making it completely hands-free. It fits most bottles and works with wine, whiskey, or spirits, turning every pour into a smooth experience. Grilling gets messy fast, but this silicone griddle mat keeps your station clean and organized. Just lay it on the side shelf and you've got a non-slip spot for spatulas, sauces, and seasonings. Heat-resistant and tough, it protects your counter from grease and drips while standing up to high temperatures. When you're done, rinse it off or toss it in the dishwasher. Simple, smart, and built for every cookout. Cold coffee is the worst, but this smart mug warmer keeps every sip just right. Set your desired temperature and watch it stay perfectly warm for hours. The digital display shows exactly how hot your drink is, while the timer and auto shutoff give peace of mind. Its large heating plate fits almost any cup, and cleanup is effortless. Perfect for desks, cozy mornings, or gifting to any coffee lover. Show off your products from every angle without lifting a finger. This motorized display stand spins a full 360 degrees, giving smooth, consistent rotation for photos, videos, or live shows. Use the remote to control speed, direction, and rotation modes, perfect for 3D shots or exhibitions. It holds heavy items up to 350 pounds, and the compact size makes it easy to move and set up anywhere. Beat the heat without turning on a bulky fan. This standing mister sprays a fine, cooling mist perfect for patios, decks, or gardens. Adjustable height lets you aim the mist exactly where you want it, keeping you comfortable whether sitting or lying down. Built with brass nozzles and a sturdy tripod, it's made to last through summer after summer. Lightweight and portable, you can move it anywhere for instant outdoor relief. Turn any room into a cosmic adventure. This astronaut galaxy projector fills your ceiling with stars and colorful nebula effects, creating a dreamy atmosphere for kids or adults. The adjustable head and rotating arm let you aim the projection just how you like it. Control brightness, speed, and modes with the remote, or set the timer for automatic shutoff. Perfect for bedrooms, parties, or just stargazing from your couch. No more messy cords dangling across your room. This pop-up outlet hides neatly in your floor or countertop until you need it. With a simple press, it opens to reveal standard power sockets and built-in USB ports, so you can charge your phone or plug in appliances with ease. The waterproof design makes it safe for kitchens, living rooms, or even outdoor decks. Sleek, durable, and always ready when you are. Kick back like you're floating in space. This zero-gravity lounge chair glides smoothly into the perfect reclined position, adjusting to your body instantly. You get a removable headrest pillow for comfort and an adjustable canopy to block out the sun. A handy side tray holds drinks, your phone, or even a tablet, so everything's within reach. Lightweight and foldable, it's ready for your backyard, the beach, or anywhere you want to relax. They look like garden rocks, but they're secretly speakers. These solar-powered gems blend right into your outdoor space while streaming your favorite music. Pair them together for full stereo sound and let the built-in LED lights cycle through colors to set the mood. Rain or shine, they're built to handle the elements, so you can enjoy tunes by the pool, patio, or garden. Music and atmosphere, all in one clever design. Turn your backyard into a bug-free retreat in seconds. This pop-up screenhouse opens instantly to give you a roomy shelter that fits family and friends comfortably. The mesh walls keep mosquitoes out while letting fresh air and sunlight in. A UV-resistant canopy protects you from harsh rays, making it perfect for barbecues, picnics, or just lounging.